Hey there, fellow home cooks. If you're staring at that pesky E011 error code on your Bosch oven and wondering why your kitchen appliance has decided to go on strike, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about fixing it, step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, what does the E011 error code actually mean? This code typically indicates a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or its control board. It's Bosch's way of saying, hey, something's not right with how I'm heating up. This error often pops up in 2025 models due to wear and tear or minor glitches, but it's usually fixable without calling in a pro right away. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The main culprits include a faulty temperature sensor, which might be dirty or damaged, loose wiring connections inside the oven, or even a power surge that disrupted the control board. Sometimes, it's as simple as the oven needing a reset, but other times, it could stem from overheating during use or issues with the oven's door seal. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start by unplugging your oven from the power source for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might make the error disappear. If that doesn't work, check the sensor for any visible damage or buildup. Clean it gently with a soft cloth if needed. Next, inspect the wiring. Make sure all connections are secure, but remember to turn off the power first to stay safe. If you're handy, you could test the sensor with a multimeter, but if things get too technical, it's best to call a certified technician. One more tip. Always refer to your Bosch oven's manual for model-specific advice, as solutions can vary. And if you're dealing with a warranty-covered appliance, contact Bosch support. They're usually super helpful. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that E011 error and get back to baking your favorite treats. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.